Every conversation you have with Claude, it forgets. Completely. Start a new chat and it has zero memory of who you are, what you've built, or what you've already told it. You've been reintroducing yourself for months. Here's what that actually costs. Every session, your role 200 tokens, your tone 150, your goals 300, your context 400. That's over 1,000 tokens every single conversation just to get back to zero. If you talk to Claude 5 times a day, you're wasting 5,000 tokens a week just re-explaining yourself. Projects change all of that. A project is a persistent context layer, a container that holds your system prompt, your documents, and your instructions. Every conversation inside that project starts with Claude already knowing who you are. You said it once. It runs forever. The system prompt is the most powerful token in your entire workflow. It runs before every single message. It shapes every single answer. Write your role, write your rules, write your tone, keep it under 400 tokens. Done. Claude now has a personality you designed. Every project also has a knowledge base. Drop in your brand guidelines, your company overview, your tone of voice doc. Claude reads all of it before your first word. No pasting, no re-explaining. The context is already there. For developers and power users, there's CLAUDE.md, a markdown file that lives in your project root. Claude reads it automatically at the start of every session. Your identity, your rules, your recurring tasks. It's the closest thing Claude has to long-term memory. Here's the full memory stack. CLAUDE.md at the top, permanent, survives everything, always loaded. Projects in the middle, persistent across conversations, ideal for ongoing work. In context at the bottom, temporary, gone when you close the tab. Build from the top down. Start with what should never change. Setting up your first project takes 4 steps. 1. Create a project and give it a name. 2. Write a system prompt, role, rules, tone under 400 tokens. 3. Upload your key documents to the knowledge base. 4. Test it with a cold open, no context, just a question. See what Claude knows. Watch the difference. Without a project, Claude asks who you are, what you need, what your audience is. 3 messages before you get an answer. With a project, you type 1 sentence. Claude gives you the answer in the right voice for the right audience with the right constraints. Same model, same question. The project did the work. Before your next session, check 4 things. Do you have a project set up for your main use case? Is your system prompt under 400 tokens with a clear role? Is your knowledge base loaded with your key documents? Have you tested it cold, without any prior context? 4 out of 4 and Claude finally knows who you are. Most people brief Claude from scratch every single session. They're losing hundreds of tokens, dozens of minutes, and all their momentum. The ones who set up projects once get consistently faster, more accurate answers, forever. Follow for 1 technique every day. Comment what you're adding to your project first.